Bridge Alignment tool makes it easier to align your long-distance wireless bridges. When adjusting the bridge alignment angle, do you still need others to provide signal strength feedback through a phone call? Now with Bridge Alignment tool, you can just do it by yourself. Open Reyee app and enter Bridge Alignment through Toolkit. Connect to the default management Wi-Fi starting with Reyee B. Now you can clearly see the real-time signal strength of your devices. Turn on the sound prompt button. We provide you with different sounds representing different signal strengths. Thus, you can successfully adjust your device in the direction of the strongest signal as indicated on the app. This function is also available on local eWeb. Cloud, make your business easy.